Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V60 Lite and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are on the video mode. We can switch it to photo one, but it doesn't really matter. I just wanted to draw attention to the gray lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. So now all we have to do is to go to the settings. They are in the right upper corner, so let's tap and then go to more settings. Right here we have to scroll all the way down and tap on Restore Defaults. Then tap on Confirm, and as you can see we just got back to the camera, and here we've got our first evidence that the reset option works because our camera is asking us about the location. So you can either agree or disagree, it's completely up to you. And the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.